Ultra quick instructions on how to replace the battery on this 2016 Ford Escape. Should work down to 2013, I believe. Drop it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if it helps. So the battery's right here. First step's going to be removing the caps on each of your wipers, and then 14mm nut on those. Pop them off, and then get a pocket screwdriver and go along the entire front of this cowl, and you just go in here like so and pop these little clips out of here. And also a T25 Torx on your master cylinder reservoir. Drop that down. With these nuts off, take note of the wiper locations, and then you can pop those off. Of course, don't get them mixed up. To get them, you just wiggle that back and forth to loosen it on the splines, and you can see that's like a taper spline fit on there. You can then grab the cowl and give it a pull up along the back. There's some plastic clips behind there that you have to release, and there you go. That's what they look like. And now on each side, you're gonna have a 10mm, 10mm. Remove those over there too, and this whole plastic piece can pop out. And there's your battery. 10mm, 10mm. You can see this one has some corrosion, so I'm going to hit that with a wire brush and some anti-corrosive spray and clean that all up to get the battery out. 10mm, 10mm on this bracket. You got to make sure to get in there with a little brush or pocket screwdriver. Try to scrape all this corrosion, and then use a brush to clean the inside of the terminal as well. And then you want to coat them liberally with some grease. Looks good. And the rest is self-explanatory. Just wanted to give some quick instructions on how to get those plastic components off. And yeah, hopefully it helped.